Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Rise of Kingdoms account. If you are playing Rise of Kingdoms and want to delete your account, then remember that deleting your account is permanent and all the progress, purchases, and data will be lost. So if you're sure you'd like to delete your account, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open the Rise of Kingdoms game on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main homepage or the city page, go ahead and tap on the flag icon or the profile icon at the top left corner. Now, you will see your governor profile section where you need to click on settings at the bottom right. Inside the settings menu, click on the delete button at the bottom of the screen. Go and read the information on this page and click on the delete button. Now you'll be taken to this page where you can go ahead and click the self-service buttons corresponding your issue category. If you just want to delete your account, simply click on the customer support button at the bottom. Now, click on the account center option at the bottom and on the next page, click on delete account. Now go through the information once again, read all the pages, and after you are sure you'd like to get rid of your account, click on I have read and confirmed the above information at the bottom and click on delete on the next page. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your Rise of Kingdoms account and all of its data. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.